What's going on, everyone? It's Russell Mortlock here with Apex Group, and I've been on an absolute heater of a journey diving into artificial intelligence, and you can do that instantly in 60 seconds is how quick it actually took. So I'm just going to show you one more time how quick it does this prompting in real time. We put it in here, hit the stopwatch, let's see what it goes. Instantly, it's just pumping out these exactly what it's going to do, emphasizing on those main human hijacks and picking the right target audience. I originally was a big hater of AI, thinking it was not going to be something very useful. Then I started using it, and right off the bat, I eliminated $40,000 from business expenses from using it. And it made me just dive headfirst deep into this whole realm of artificial intelligence. And I'm loving being able to share with you guys what my journey is and how much it's positively impact my business. There's nothing that you potentially can do that's going to be able to cut down your expenses and lead to you actually increasing your income in your business. And it does a ton of the stuff that you don't want to do. So I'm going to be breaking down how I use it for my Facebook ads here, and it's been revolutionary. And the best part of this video is I'm actually going to be sharing these 7 human hijacks that I learned from a marketer who's made over $1 billion running ads. And why is this important? Why is teaching you these human hijack methods actually going to be something of valuable? Well, because now you can train AI to incorporate all these different human hijacks specifically to the products that you're trying to sell or the services that you're trying to sell to ensure that you're touching on the best marketing points that are going to engage potential customers. For me, I've read hundreds of books on marketing. I've read everything from Seth Godin to every other famous marketer out there, Alex Hormozi, and all the principles they always teach. I have them in my brain, and I tend to forget them a lot of times when I'm creating these Facebook ads. And then I go back, reference my notes, and I don't quite nail what they're teaching, where now I've trained artificial intelligence to do exactly the principles that these marketers teach to ensure that every single one of my ad campaigns actually uses them. This is leading for me to get better results on my own Facebook ads. And the whole idea of doing Facebook's ads is for every dollar that you spend, you put into advertising, you at least get $2 back from the customer. And in my case, every dollar that I'm spending, I end up getting 10 back from my Facebook ads. And before artificial intelligence, I used to pay companies thousands of dollars to run these ads for me. And I never ever saw the returns that I was expecting or what they promised me. So this is what led me to absolutely diving down and figuring out Facebook ads myself. But the downside of being a business owner is I'm very busy. I didn't necessarily have the time to learn all these Facebook ads to manage all my own campaigns. And that was the whole reason I was paying all these professional media buyers to help me run my ads. Because designing good hooks and creating good images and good ad creatives used to take me weeks and weeks in order to do this, to dial it in. And the whole process was just painful and so time consuming. And then the worst part too about me taking all this and learning it, I still wasn't getting the result that I was looking for. Now AI has leveled the playing field in terms of skills. You no longer have to be a marketing guru or a Facebook ad guru to have high performing Facebook ads. And the truth is, since I started using artificial intelligence for my ads, I'm getting better cost per lead and I'm getting higher quality leads. And if you're someone that wants to see this completely in depth, how I set up my ads entirely from step 1 to finish using artificial intelligence, I do have a masterclass on teaching you this that's in the link down in the description. And the math on my personal ads is every $1,000 that I've been spending on Facebook ads, I've been making $10,000 in return. So would that mean if I spent $10,000 a month on ads, I'd make $100,000 in a month? I might have to be something that I would consider doing. And I'm also going to be releasing a ton of content on artificial intelligence and how you can incorporate it into your business. So you're going to want to hit that subscribe button to stick around to see my personal journey as I'm going through learning all this material and dissecting what's useful and what actually works for my business. Okay, first off, let's talk about those 7 human hijacks that I was speaking of that I learned from another digital marketer that's made over $1 billion running ads. So here's what I mean. We're going to be using ChatGPT and how you can train it to understand these human hijacks to make your marketing effective. It never forgets it. it'll always refer back to it and make sure that you're actually incorporating them into your business. So number one is customer-centric benefits, emphasizing how the customer will benefit from your service or products. Number two, creating an event atmosphere, making your marketing feel like exclusive and a must-attend event. Number three is powerful demonstration, so showcasing an effectiveness of your service or products through the demonstration. Number four is unquestionable proof, so providing solid evidence and testimonials to support your claims. Number five, changing the daily behavior, encouraging customers to adopt new habits or perspectives through your offering. Number six, selling the dream, paint a picture of the life that they want to have and the outcomes the customers can achieve. And number seven is rebel or make them feel superior. So positioning your service or product as a way for the customer to stand out from the crowd and elevate their status. So these are the 7 human hijacks that you're going to want to screenshot this right now, and you're going to want to refer back to these and use this in your ChatGPT to understand how to properly market it. So right here, as you can see, I prompted, I want you to fully understand my marketing. Here are the 7 human hijacks I want you to use in my marketing. Make it about the customer. Then I list them off here. Refer back to your understanding of my marketing goals based on the answers from here on out. In order for you to fully understand what I'm wanting to do with my marketing, I need to use these human hijacks when creating my content. Do you understand me? And this is what ChatGPT responded. And now it refers always back. So take a screenshot of this right now when you're watching this on YouTube and refer back to these 7 human hijacks. I've been using these in my marketing, and I wish I would have used them way long before. And like I said, I'd read all the marketing books, I've watched all of Alex Hormozi's videos, and I know the stuff, but I don't actually apply it effectively. And now having ChatGPT and artificial intelligence to apply these metrics for me, I never miss out doing it correctly. Okay, so now let's get into giving you the actual prompt for creating Facebook ads. So I'm just going to hit it here. I have this prompt all here in my artificial intelligence masterclass. We're going to talk a little bit about it. So the client is going to be Kelowna Home Source. What we're targeting people downsizing their homes. The campaign is going to be downsizing. And this is amazing. You just literally have to give artificial intelligence 5 different keywords, and then it goes through it. 1 level living, downsizing your home, master bedroom and main floor, too much yard work, too much space. Like say if you're in a fitness campaign and it was the summer shred program is my target audience. And then people looking to lose 10 to 5 pounds before the summer. Have your 6-pack abs showing. You know what I mean? People who are looking to get in better shape by the summertime. You just literally put in exactly what you're thinking for the keywords, and it will spit you out exactly the ad copy that you need. And here's where I come down and I talk about those human hijacks. Customer-centric benefits. I want you to emphasize how the customer will benefit from my service. The human hijacks. Principle of selling a dream. So painting a picture or aspirational lifestyle or the outcomes for your customer can achieve. So I'm going to be touching on here all the 2 best human hijacks for someone who's wanting to downsize their home. So let's see what it comes up with. So audience table, it makes my own different audience. So it's saying that I'm probably going to be interested in people who are 50 plus. They're empty nesters, so they probably don't have any kids anymore. They're looking to retire, low maintenance seekers, and simplified life enthusiasts. Like how amazing is that, right? Like that is exactly who is looking to downsize their home. So you can use this in any context for what product or what you're trying to sell. ChatGPT is going to hit your target audience. So let's go to the ad group. Age 50 plus downsizers, simplify their lifestyle. Dream of a simpler life in a 1-level home. Enjoy the benefits of the ease of downsizing. And you can just go through all these different ad tables and pick which one you think is going to work the best. And here's the best part. This used to take me weeks to come up with this ad copy and the hooks. And I would run one ad, and I wouldn't want to A/B test too many things at once. But if you really wanted to, and you wanted to see which one was going to work best, you could fire up all 5 of these right off the bat and allocate a small budget to each to see which one ends up converting the best. And you can do that instantly in 60 seconds is how quick it actually took. So I'm just going to show you one more time how quick it does this prompting in real time. We put it in here, hit the stopwatch, let's see what it goes. Instantly, it's just pumping out these exactly what it's going to do, emphasizing on those main human hijacks and picking the right target audience. These ad employ the human hijacks, selling the dream, focusing on customer benefit, eccentric target audience. Like, that took less than 60 seconds to pump that out. So now you have your entire ad copy to make your Facebook ad in 60 seconds. It's literally almost like magic. And so that's where my beliefs completely changed on how useful artificial intelligence can be. I was literally proven wrong. I was like, this is just going to be another thing I'm going to waste my time on learning, and it's not going to help me. When really, spending about 30 minutes learning ChatGPT got me 8 to 10 hours a week back in time on my business. So I'm not having to work from 6 a.m. till 10 p.m. almost every single day, because I've found 10 hours of extra time by getting artificial intelligence to do a lot of the tasks that were taking up a tremendous amount of my time. And if you haven't used AI image generating tools, I'm going to be showing you in a later video here on my YouTube channel how I incorporate this to create my ad images for my Facebook ads. And if you're someone that hasn't used AI generated image tools yet, that is going to be one of my next videos that I'm going to be showing in sequence of all the Facebook ad content that I'm putting out. I'm going to be teaching you how you can use AI generated images to increase your ad creative design in order for you to get more clicks, which will lead to you getting more leads, which equals more sales. And the best part, again, this all takes less than 60 seconds to design these images. I remember when I first was starting my Facebook ads, I used to go to all those stock photo places. I'd go in Canva. I would go Google. I was researching everything. I was hiring photographers to take pictures for me. And it'd be like a month later and I still have no ad created. Where now with AI images, you can literally just type it in, and in 60 seconds, you have the image that's going to work best for your ad. So if you're someone that wants to learn how to do that, you're going to subscribe to my channel, because I have that video coming out later on down the line here. And if you're someone that wants to learn exactly my Facebook ads, I have a masterclass on it for using artificial intelligence. That link's going to be down below. I have an entire week dedicated to teaching you exactly my AI Facebook ads system. So if you want to be part of that masterclass, just go down in the link and visit it there, and really look forward to helping you transform your business with artificial intelligence. Thank you, everyone. I'm Russell Mortlock.